Welcome everyone, and today I'm unboxing Star Wars Princess Leia Organa and Wicket the Ewok. So I saw this was advertised and the box is a bit damaged, but otherwise everything still looks fine. It looks like it is made by Disney. The pictures are very beautiful outside the box, and this is the back of the box. And this is how she looks when I open the box. She have some extra dress and she got some weapons. And this is a cute, adorable animal. And she looks articulated. She got beautiful hair. She got quite a bit of a cute little nose. And this is how her face looks. She is definitely articulated, elbows, arms, also the knees. She got beautiful hair tied up in a bundle, but otherwise she is beautiful. So this is a dress that comes with that she can get dressed in, and this cute little animal. So I'm very happy with my purchase. And from all of us, and tell me what you think of Princess Leia, if I say the name correct. Leia. So, tell me what you think of this doll. And if you put a normal Barbie against her, she is nearly the same size as a Barbie. A little bit. If you put her against a Barbie, she will definitely fit in Barbie clothes. She's a tiny bit smaller, but otherwise, she is gorgeous. The hands type, the one is for holding maybe the weapons. She got boots on, ready. And it looks like there's a helmet or something inside the box for protection. So, and from me and Star Wars, have a wonderful day. I wanted to put a dress on her rather, so I had to pull the arms off because the dress was too tight. So the arms comes off and you just have to push it back in. She also got very big feet and I don't think Barbie's shoes will fit her. So now with the dress on and the Moses shoes, she looks beautiful. But I think she needs a new wardrobe. I would maybe loosen her hair, and she got a princess style hairstyle. Cute little braid. So just to finish off, thank you for watching. Blessings.